everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who've never been here before, my name is Allyson. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. Today we are going to go over this month's BoxyCharm. The theme for this month's BoxyCharm is Au Natural, which basically means, I dropped that on the floor, which basically, oh my god, Gus, no. Which basically means that we are going all natural. If you do not know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box where you get 4 or 5 full-size products. It costs $20 a month, 21. Check right here. 4 or 5 full-size products a month, and each month has a different theme. So this month we're going natural, and let me tell you what is in this box. So I actually get 1 box in PR from BoxyCharm. Thank you, BoxyCharm, so much. And then I actually do buy one. So what I'm gonna start off with today is the Cogen Dough Cleansing Spa Water Wipes. They look like this. I'm just gonna take off any makeup that I may or may not have on my face with this. You smell nice. Hold on, getting a phone call. Hey!
Hi!
You're in my video, say hello!
Oh my god, hello!
Hi, video!
Hello, video!
The next thing I got in the box, now that my face is all clean, is the Luxy Gel. I don't know how to freaking say it. But it is a little brush set. It includes a large eye blending brush, a precision crease brush, and a foundation brush. These, let me get these out. All right, they look like this. They are pink with like a wooden handle. That's so cute. Kind of really goes with the Au Natural theme. And this is what the other 2 brushes look like. This looks more of like a, I would probably use this to like pack on some glitter. And this is like a very large, as it said, blending brush. So I'm actually going to use this Luxy 510 foundation brush to put on the next item in the BoxyCharm box, which was the FACE-Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This looks so cute. I love the like earthy packaging of pretty much everything that's in this box. Also, I don't have a mirror, so I'm going to put this on in my viewfinder. Oh my god, this smells so good. Wait, oh my god. Wait, this literally smells like a spa. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Wait, I would get this just for the freaking smell of it. Like the hell of it. Oh my god, just for the smell of it. I'm copywriting that. Nobody take it. Elemis, don't take it. There you have it. This brush is fabulous too. I feel like it would spread my foundation very nicely. It says advanced skincare. This better make me look like freaking Beyonce. I swear to God. Apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. Why does it have to be dark? Okay, so I will be back in 10 minutes with very beautiful veggie mask superfood vital skin. Okay, so as you can see by my face, I took off the mask. My face literally felt so good, and I cannot explain to you how good that mask smelled. It literally smelled like I was like in some like professional like bougie ass spa. It was incredible. So I went ahead, since there was no face products in the box, I went ahead and did all of my base makeup. I bronzed, I blushed, I eyebrowed, I'm ready to play. So the next item I got in the box is the Butter London. It doesn't have a name, I don't believe, or I'm blanking on it. I'll put it over here somewhere. The Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. It says it on the inside. So this is what it looks like. I'm loving it. And my thought was, since it is a Au Natural box, I was going to use this dark shade right here in the palette called Temptress to create some faux freckle moments with this really tiny brush. So let's do it. Okay, I went a little bit in, but then I am going to take a beauty blender, which is in between my legs. This is actually from Target. It's like the Sasha Sonia Kasakara brand. And I'm just going to dab those babies. Okay, so now that we have our Au Natural little face makeup going, I'm gonna go super no natural on the eyes because I really want to play with this Femme Fatale blue shade over here. I think that would be really fun. I'm gonna use the Luxie large eye blending brush and just pat this into my eye. Okay, so that is what just the shade Femme Fatale looks like on my eyes. I'm going to make this into a haloed look. So I am going to take the shade, I think I'm going to take the shade Enchantress, which is this lightest shimmer shade. Say that 10 times fast. And then I'll probably just go ahead and do that, like mirror that on the bottom of the lash. So let's get some glitter glue so that Enchantress shade really comes out, because that's how I usually do my shimmer shades. I'm using a lot of shushes right now. Shush, 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 shush. And then we are going to go in with the Luxie 246 Precision Crease and make that a little halo. Alright, so far so good. I'm going to go ahead and do the blue on the bottom now. Alright, the next thing on our list is this lovely gel liner from Appeal Cosmetics. It's in the shade Forest Green, so that's why I went with this crazy kind of blue, because I really wanted to use this and make this more of a dramatic look. I can't believe y'all actually thought I was gonna do something natural. That is what the liner looks like on the bottom. I am going to tight line the top. Okay, I put it on the top as well. I don't know if you can see that. My eyes are watering like a bit. Okay. Whatever. I'm going to do this on the other eye, and I'm going to pop some lashes on, and I will be right back. Okay, we are back, and I am feeling the heck out of this look. I feel like a freaking rock star. But it doesn't end there. I do have one more product in my box that I would love to share. So the last and final product is from Alamar Cosmetics. Is it Alamar? So it is the new, I believe these are new. Las Des Nude as Coqueta. I believe these are like somewhat of a liquid lipstick, so I am gonna have to use it like a liner. I have one picked out, hold on. I'm gonna start off by lining my lips with the NYX Professional Makeup Lip Pencil in the shade Natural. You see there's a theme here. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my lips a little bit since I'm not 100% sure of the consistency of the lipstick. Okay, so there is my lips lined and filled in with the lip pencil in Natural from NYX. It's brand new, so I had to work with it a little bit. Now let's go in with the Alamar little thingy. I kind of love this. It's like a gloss, but like a pigmented, not sticky whatsoever. It has good like color, I guess you would say, like coverage. All right, guys, there you have it. This is the look I did with this month's July BoxyCharm. All in all, I love BoxyCharm boxes. I highly recommend them to like advanced makeup artists, people who just like makeup, people who just want to explore with new products. I think it's a really good... Am I interrupting you guys? I think it's a really good subscription, and honestly, you get so much bang for your buck. All of these things combined are like way over $100. Way over $100, I don't know. But they are over $100. Elemis is a big brand, Luxie. I mean, this is good stuff, people. So yeah, if you do want to sign up for BoxyCharm, I will have my referral link in the description box below, as well as the products that I did use, so that if you do want them, you can get your hands on them. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Like this video if you like BoxyCharm, or if you just like this kind of video where I do the boxes and open them and put them on my face. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay loving, stay positive, and I'll see you on the next one.